Germany. An accomplished academic, Dr. Parthipan holds a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering from RMD Engineering College, Anna University, and a master's degree in VLSI Design from RMK Engineering College, where he was awarded a gold medal by Anna University. He completed his PhD in telemedicine and medical image processing, leveraging MATLAB and Python applications at Anna University. He has also authored books including ChatGPT, a comprehensive study on generative AI tools, and advanced digital image processing and NLP. Dr. Pathiban has organized and delivered over 400 workshops, seminars, meetups, and guest lectures on emerging technologies using platforms like K10C and Academic C2IT, reaching diverse audience in academia and corporate sectors. His research contributions include publishing numerous papers in national and international journals, solidifying his reputation as a thought leader in the technology and innovation. So today we are glad to have with him for today's session here. I welcome Dr. Pathipan sir to take up the session. Thank you, sir. Pathipan sir.
Sir, your voice not audible.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, happy morning to all. Thank you for your warm welcome, Dr. Sethuram Rao sir. I'm very happy to see you all in this session about research crafting, that innovative tools. I'm sharing my screen now. Just see. My screen is visible now, sir?
Yes, sir. Visible only, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir. Thank you all. I would like to thank our management and principal, vice principal, sir, and then our department, head of the department, Dr. Days-Fdp, and the coordinators, Dr. Shanmugaraj, and then Dr. Sethuram Rao, sir, and then all the faculties. I thank for this opportunity to share my knowledge or to transfer my knowledge on innovative techniques for crafting and publishing research papers. Here I am going to share my knowledge on AI tools where I experienced in my previous organization and industry, and also how all those AI tools will help you to publish in the journals, and then what are the strategies involved in publications that each and every researchers are worrying about to publish their papers. They're also worrying about to write their review papers based on that, they are planning to publish with the reputed journals. That will be nowadays very difficult. But AI tools are simplifying your productivity. That always says, smart work. How that smart work will help you in using these AI tools, we may discuss in these presentations. Hope it will be the interactive sessions, you and me. I'm going to share some few tools about to find the reputed journals, to find to write your research papers, both the review papers as well as your research papers. And also I'm going to demonstrate some tools related to your visualization, referencing, citations and all. That finally, what are the ethical points involved? Okay, that are another today's speaker may going to cover. These are all the various points we are going to discuss. Before that, dear researchers, learners, I'm very happy, last 4 days you learned about fundamentals of research from Dr. M. Shivaratna Bala. She given the valid inputs about the research methodology, how that even qualitative, quantitative, what are the methodologies involved in the research. And then day 2 literature review and meta-analysis covered by Dr. B. Madhusar. all are presented their presentations well structured. They given about the valid inputs about Dr. Madhu given about literature review and meta-analysis, how to cite based on his own experience. He shared a number of things. And day 3, research writing, that covered by research writing using latex tool, covered by Dr. G. Shanmugaraj sir. He also demonstrated how to write a paper using latex tool. He given the demonstration very briefly. It's also useful to you, I think so. That day 4, enhancing research quality, given by Dr. R. Jyoti Chitra ma'am. She covered some referencing tools also, well structured manner. All these, right, and then Sethuram Rao sir covered the visualization tools. That all these perspective, dear learners, there will be the AI tools to cover that entire point of view. That is the reason I think that coordinators planned my session on the day 5, that publishing strategies using AI tools and also ethical practices. Even my topic, or what I'm going to exchange with you, AI tools for research and journal publication and strategies. Myself, they introduced about me. I am a research coordinator with R&D, convener Kapila and IPR cell, and also associate professor with ECE department from Velamal Institute of Technology. Today's our knowledge transfer outline, I'm going to cover with AI writing and publication visualization tools, and also journal finder tools, and then AI with papers, how we are going to publish your papers using AI tool. Even that all the researchers focusing nowadays, I think many of you enrolled with some WhatsApp groups, many of you continuously even attending the faculty development programs, that last 2 years from today onwards, even if you are checking with any FDP programs, either Atal FDP or Anna University FDPs or some other universities, deemed universities FDPs, they are always focusing to simplify the work using that AI tools. That AI tools act as a main role nowadays, both in academics as well as the industry, to improvise your productivity. This artificial intelligence tools for scientific research, mainly known as, see here, that AI has become an increasingly important tool in scientific research. That AI technologies such as machine learning or deep learning or NLP can revolutionize how scientific research is conducted, analyzed, and disseminated. That AI can transform scientific research from the initial stages of experimental design to the final stages of dissemination and impact. However, using these technologies responsibly and ethically is vital, considering issues such as bias, privacy, and transparency. That is the reason that last 2 days back, your UGC and AICTE launched and then given the peer review process. Okay, even nowadays they are adding with AI block check, AI detection check and all. That you make careful when you are doing your research with the AI tools. Even that AI tools will help you to write, to find about your topic. It may give the introduction, it may give the literature survey, it may give the reference and all. But you particularly know that AI tool will support, but you know the concepts when you are exploring in front of your doctoral committee team or in front of university. That's important. Nowadays, that advent and rise of artificial intelligence, there has been a growing interest in knowing what AI, despite numerous publications, even conferences, as well as and applications. It was difficult to define artificial intelligence precisely. That AI can commonly understand as biopsychological potential to process information, solve problems, and develop products that are value in culture. To be more specific, that AI can be defined as the ability of a system to interpret external data, learn from data correctly, and use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks. AI often uses external sources of information such as the Internet of Things, other big data sources to identify patents and rules by using machine learning, which describes method that help computers learn. That is the even a report from Kaplan 2019. That artificial intelligence is used to multiple fields like business, computer science, biomedicine, supply chain management, and healthcare. There will be the n number of future techs, med tech, health tech, and all agri tech, and then you may focus, right? Even these rise from artificial intelligence, we are always focusing and simplifying our AI tools. What are the various AI tools used in scientific research? Even here, I am focusing for this faculty developments. You are the researchers, you are the professors, assistant professors, associate professors, that we will always say, right, scientific research. This is not what we are looking from the student to submit your assignment. You may submit your, right, some topic to present. This will be called as an scientific researchers. That's why, right, even we are always eligible to discuss with the other universities where you are exploring to innovate new ideas based on that societal cause. That AI tools can help make scientific research easier, dear learners. The following tools, even I'm going to disclose with you some tools. Some tools I'm going to demonstrate with you. Even my time permits, I may share with you. I may demonstrate some other tools also. The following are some tools used by academic researchers and students for their dissertations. Here I given some tools. When I published my ChatGPT book, I found nearly 183 tools for the students, parents, as well as research scholars. Here some tools are helping us. Many of you knows about the tools. What are the tools, dear team, dear learners? Any tools, you may unmute yourself and then say what are the tools now, the popularly known tools. How many tools you know? I think no sir, you may ask them that this will be the interactive sessions. Just say what are the tools. Even in 4 days FDP, we discussed about Mendeley, some other tools. But like that, Colbert, and then Turnitin to check the flag and all. That based on my analysis, I'm going to recommend with you few tools. Even Semantic Scholar. I think that host team, please check whether they are eligible to mute or unmute themselves. Participants can mute or unmute themselves. That check with host team. Here, Semantic Scholar offers a one-line summary of each paper, which helps researchers prioritize publications for studying in depth. Additionally, the build AI algorithms help identify and recommend related papers based on the history and identify hidden links between research topics. That one of the tool is Semantic Scholar. Second thing, consensus. The consensus runs on GPT-4 end users of NLP and machine learning. That all these analysis, that AI tools analysis always interact with the machines, and then always that machine learning concepts includes that NLP process, analyze scholarly content. This technology, right, makes it easier for researchers to gain access to expert knowledge. That consensus tool. An extra AI model evaluates publications most relevant to the question and presents the findings based on your relevant, focused areas like your domains. Chat PDF, another tool. The Chat PDF is an AI application wherein the researchers can upload a PDF document and interact with it to seek answers. If you haven't written your paper with the ChatGPT or Perplexity AI or Jasper AI or Gen AI, or you written with your topics with different the prompts, there you may download that entire based on your research. You may download the content and then convert into the PDF file. You should upload your PDF file, and Chat PDF will give you the answers based on your questions, what you are looking for. You are looking for introduction or abstract or novelty, or if you are looking for any future findings like that, the Chat PDF will give you that exact answers with you what you are looking for. One need not sign up for login for using Chat PDF. Yeah, next generation AI model similar to Chat GPT is used in Chat PDF. Even many of the researchers are worrying that AI tools always depend on the payment, the pricing. I'm going to give the suggestions. You are from the academician, you may connect with your team from the department, even we may suggest you the tools. You may get the premium versions and then utilize your valid research. For the writing purpose, for the assignment purpose, when you are going to taking that particular materials, it may useful. For your valid research, that all AI tools will be the paid versions only. That free versions you may get based on the credits, that in free versions you may get that all the answers what you are looking relevant to the research. And then AI tools used in the research, Site Assistant. That Site Assistant, right, is an AI powered app that helps you give real citations to published papers. Even I'm describing here or listing here tools, and I am going to give some demonstrations which one is the mainly used nowadays, among with the researchers. That site allows users to collaborate on essays and research papers and locate evidence to support and contradict their arguments. That users can use the application to find accurate information, browse through millions of research papers and develop research proposals or essays. This is Site Assistant. And then Elicit. Elicit is an AI research assistant that assists scholars with brainstorming research and writing. And also it will generate the ideas, and also based on that ideas you will create the novelty, find relevant information, structure arguments, presentations and posters can also be developed with Elicit. That second one. Third one is in nowadays that all the researchers are searching with the Research Rabbit. Research Rabbit is the tool. A application adds research papers and creating a collection. If you are looking that many of you are worrying about to find your research papers. Even we are also instructing our students to get the base papers of your research, what you proposed, what are the existing methods, what you proposed. Based on that you come up with the reference papers. Even Research Rabbit tool will simplify you, where if you are asking any particular domain or research topic, it will give, right, it will listed out that entire latest papers with this search. In addition, Research Rabbit allows users to visualize the scholarly network of articles and co-authorships, allowing them to track the work of a specific topic or author and study deeper into their research. And also I'm going to demonstrate with you Research Rabbit and then PaperPal and SkySpace. Next one is PaperPal and SkySpace. That both are one stop for all the aspects of manuscript submission, peer review and publication. SkySpace, particularly that SkySpace can help researchers save time and publish their findings more quickly. Nowadays, all the researchers are focusing these three tools: Research Rabbit, PaperPal and then SkySpace. One more, you may consider, dear learners or researchers, that maintaining responsibility while using AI. Even care should be taken to prevent plagiarism while using AI in research. One must implement the following steps to prevent plagiarism and maintain academic integrity: that seek ethical AI tools, comprehend the purpose of AI research tool, paraphrase information or use quotations. If it is a definition, cite sources, proofread and edit AI generated content. All these points, right, even our next speaker, Dr. Nandagopal, may cover in the ethical in publications using AI tools. That maintaining responsibility is very, very important nowadays using AI tools. And I'm going to cover this journal finder. Sir, I'm worrying about to publish with the Q1 journals, Q2 journals, Q3 journals, Q4 journals, even Anna University Annexer 1 journals, or some other deemed universities, reputed journals, Sky journals, SCIE, even you are looking for Web of Science, anything. First, the journal itself, wherever you go, even if you are going with IEEE, if you are going with Wiley, if you are going with Springer, if you are going with elsewhere, even you are checking with the Scopus database, wherever you should go. As a researcher, even you are in the initial stage, okay, you may find your journals, okay, where you are going to write, submit your papers, where you are going to publish your papers. Even the journal finders will support you, right, to simplify your work related to publish. Even here, Journal Finder is an online tool that helps, right, researchers and academics to find scholarly journals that are relevant to their research topic. It is allowing users to search for journals by entering keywords, article titles, or abstracts. Journal Finder provides information about the scope of each journal, its editorial right policies, and the peer review process. It also includes information about the journal impact factor, which measures the frequency with which articles in the journal are cited in other scholarly publications. Using Journal Finder, researchers can identify the journals that are a good match for their research interests and that are likely to be interested in publishing their work. This can help them to save time and effort in the process of selecting the most appropriate journal for their manuscript submission. One more thing, when you are checking with the Journal Finder, you may keep in your mind always that keywords. That keywords only will support you, right, where you are going to search with the AI tools. Without keyword, without prompt engineering, okay, you never ever get the proper response from the when you are using that AI tools. That's the thing. Here, right, the Journal Finder, even I given Journal Finder, you may elsewhere Journal Finder, you go and then search with paper title, in which domain you are going to search. That paper title you may search, and then paper abstract, if you required, you may search. That elsewhere Journal Finder itself will give you the find the journals. You are worrying, sir, I am the domain from medical image processing. Sir, my domain is AI healthcare, my domain is AI edge computing, my domain is Internet of Things or wireless communication, networks, or medical relevant, or computer science relevant, machine learning. That Journal Finders will support you, right, to give the exact journals where your research topic or where your novelty will meet the journals. We will easily find. Based on that, you will go to the journal and then check with the impact factor, check with their publication timeline and all, and then you can proceed. The next one is Springer. Even that Springer nature suggesting the researchers for journal suggester. Okay, there will be the n number of options, personalized recommendation, over 2,500 journals in Springer database itself. That author choice. You may go with your title, that same thing, manuscript text. Even manuscript text, you may use your keywords based on your domain, and then subject area. You may specify all those, right? You will get the suggested journals from Springer too. Third one is your IEEE. All are worrying, right? Even IEEE transactions. Once we published our paper, that all other researchers may see. That IEEE also recommending the researchers to publication recommender. That IEEE publication recommender. Most of you, right? Even we are not doing these kind of analysis. Even where the journals will support us. Even journals are ready to support you. That editor-in-chiefs or editors are ready when you are communicating with them properly. Okay, even that all these aspects based on the legal aspects. That IEEE also suggesting you the publication recommender. Even there you may find, right, best match your scholarly article. Search 190 plus periodicals and 1,800 plus conferences, and then there will be the database available. When you are connecting with the proper team, right, even proper journal, they won't hesitate you to come forward to what you are looking for. And then Wiley database, Wiley. Even elsewhere, then Wiley, IEEE, Springer, next one is Wiley. Even publishers since 1807, 1807, that the year, find the journal that's right for your research. Even whenever you are going to research about your topics using AI tools, first my suggestion is to go and find your journals. And then even if you find out your journal, based on the journal, you may take the search the topics and then take the even that formation of the journal templates and all. Here, find the journals that's right for your research. That explore Wiley's 1,600 plus journals by title or subject. That same thing, when you are finding your journals, that these journal recommenders, okay, from the reputed journals will support you more, okay, where your manuscript may submit with these journal finders. All these about the journal finders that keep in your mind. And then AI with papers, here you will see there will be some AI tools. WordTune, right? Read is an AI reader that summarizes long documents so you can understand more faster. And earlier I mentioned with you, I found 183 tools. But here I am recommending some few tools. You go on research, okay, even which one is comfortable to you, even which one is easy, friendly, that user friendly, you may go forward. This WordTune helps you, a summarization tool that uses AI to produce a reliable summary of the article. The 3 quick round reading sessions to get the information summary structured in your head. A writing method that guarantees your summary stays plagiarism free, WordTune. Next tool is Paper Digest. That Paper Digest uses an AI to generate an automatic summary of a given research paper. It may even save time, guide understanding, and also write outreach research. Then third one is Lateral, the all-in-one solution for anyone who needs to read and review documents fast and confidently. Easily find text across documents with Lateral AI and organize your findings effortlessly. A web app that helps you read, find, share, organize your research in one place. Then Flowsite is designed to help researchers at any level concentrate better on their research by minimizing the burden of administrative tasks in academic writing. That all-in-one solution for academic research writing and editing and publishing and referencing. Even you may check the entire flow and then read properly, citation, even mention the references, you may give the citations properly, and then write even what you are going to even propose, that you also mention very clearly. And then write Skyspace. We are going to discuss the Skyspace, even I am going to demonstrate with you. Skyspace combines, that even formerly known as typeset.io, that even now they are calling as an Skyspace. That Skyspace, combines the world science and workspace. This will be the easiest way to find, understand, to learn any research paper, and then every paper you read, get simple explanations, and then discuss with your guides or supervisors. Even AI also will give answers, and then you may discover a network connected with the relevant papers. You may discuss with your supervisor and then confirm and then proceed. Skyspace is an integrated platform that enables researchers and authors to discover, write, and publish research smoothly and drive collaboration. These are all the various tools. Apart from that, there will be the Jasper AI, Gen AI, and then even our team already given that 4 days FDP, they given about the research, basics research, literature review, and then visualization tool. That each and everything we may cover with our AI tools. If you are going with visualization tools, I may recommend the 3 to 4 tools to simplify your work, where you may proceed with the infographics, images, pie charts, and all. Okay. Now we are going to see about the PaperPal. Another one is PaperPal. Even I mentioned earlier, nowadays Research Rabbit, PaperPal, and Skyspace, all the researchers are using these tools, widely. PaperPal is an AI-based tool that created to support academic authors, especially in enhancing the language quality, readability of your research papers and manuscripts. Even general purpose writing assistance, even PaperPal is tailored, specifically for your academic writing and all. This tool provides real-time feedback of grammar. That is the advantage here. You don't go with even for grammar check is another tool. Even for citations or another tool. Even it will gives even grammar check and then paraphrasing your content, and also it will gives you the style, clarity, and also even based on if you are looking some journals guidelines, it will simplifies your work. Even researchers and academics and students also using this tool for the quality, written works quality or readability, and then peer-reviewed journals and other formal academic platforms. That PaperPal citation, even I am going to show with you the PaperPal website, how it will be. That website looks like this only. You may get here. Yes. You may see here there will be the new web document, and then that install Word add-in. You may add this paper into your Word document. Even you may install the paper with your Word also. When you are typing with the Word file, a document file, even paper will suggest you a more. And then plagiarism check, even submission checks, and editing services and all. And then need for paper right? Even it will focusing on your language quality, clarity, journal compliance, and time efficiency. And then when you are going to use this particular paper using paper straightforward and involve the following steps. You may upload your authors start by uploading their manuscript. It will give you the review suggestions, accept and rejection suggestions, and then format guidance, and then save and download that all the inputs. We may see with the demonstration. I may complete what are the tools are there. After that, I'll show with you some demonstration with the interactive with the interaction of with you guys. Okay, when to use, when drafting a research paper, a thesis or conference paper, okay, that needs to be clear or professional and polished. Before submitting a manuscript and academic journal, okay, especially if it requires adherence to specific language or formatting guidelines, that each and everything act as an key role here. That based on journal template, and also even that whether it is acceptable for the peer reviews and all. And then why we are using this: language quality, time efficiency, confidence, and all. There will be that everything that AI tools are simplifying, and the smart work, reducing your work, even time saving. That productivity, it's increasing always. Improved language and readability, and then enhanced acceptance rate. That ease of use, it will be very used. That interface is interactive. There will be the more suggestions, user friendly, academic focused, and all. Some disadvantages, as I mentioned earlier, that all the AI tools coming, they are mentioning about the pricing cost. That cost, some futures paper may only be accessible via paid subscriptions. That you may group or team, you may buy it, 1 or 2 users, you may use it and then utilize those features, and or limitations with complex language, even paper AI may struggle with highly technical or discipline specific. Even these are all the disadvantages I found. Not a complete replacement for human editors. There will be the human detections also there. Over reliance, authors who rely too heavily on automated suggestions might risk losing their unique writing style. Privacy concerns, with any cloud-based editing tool, there can be concerns around data security and privacy. And next one is Skyspace. The official website for Skyspace is Skyspace. It offers tools like AI-powered research assistant that can explain complex research papers, a library for organizing articles, and various productivity features. And also here even some basic guides we may share with you at the end of the session, I think so. I'll share with the coordinators team, they will forward with you. Skyspace is a platform designed to help research to simplify the process of discovering, understanding, and managing scientific literature. This is your Skyspace looks like. Typeset.io. Previously, it's known as typeset.io. That Skyspace is even fastest research platform ever. You may find they given with the literature of everything in one place. Chat with PDF, literature review, AI writer, find topics, paraphraser, citation generator, extract data, AI detector. You may convert your PDF to video. Even you may convert that PDF. It will convert into the video. We may demonstrate all these. The Skyspace one thing here. Your need to sign up or log in the website using your mail IDs. Here I am going to give you an important keep in your mind, dear learners or researchers. When you are interacting with the AI tools or even ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, or if you are generating contents or you are going to proceed with your ideas, don't use your personal mail IDs. You may create one new mail ID and then go with that to get or explore the data from the AI tools. That's my suggestion. You don't use your personal mail ID. Upload or search for research papers. Upload your own PDF. There will be, I mentioned earlier, short PDF like Research Rabbit. Even everywhere they are giving the source. They are simplifying your works to find about the papers. Upload your paper and then research. There will be no use Skyspace AI assistant. There will be AI powered explanation. Once you open a paper, Skyspace assist can help, right? Explain the content, highlight key findings, and break down complex terminology or equations. And then you can ask specific questions also with the content, methodology, or any other sections, and also summarize the content, what you need, okay, based on the journal guidelines. Organize your library. Even yesterday, that Dr. Jyoti Chitra ma'am also showcased that mentally how that organizing the reference papers, how that we are adding the reference papers with our manuscripts. Like that folders or tags organize your papers to way that fits your research workflow. Here annotations and highlights, collaborate and share. They given with the excellent future. Skyspace allows you to collaborate with others also. Even you are the paid version, you received your paid version, you may collaborate with your guide or supervisor to collaborate. And then, sir, this is my findings where I'm again rephrased my work, even my novelty received, you may suggest like that. You can either invite others to collaborate also directly in Skyspace or export documents need. There will be cite and export also. There will be API citation generator. Zotero is the tool. Even Skyspace provides citation tools to help you manage references and create bibliographics. There will be Zotero. Zotero is the tool. It will help you, right? You can export citations in multiple formats to integrate with other tools like EndNote. Okay, mentally that will be, Zotero will help you more. And then, right, there will be the advantages. Even each and every AI tool, advantages and disadvantages are there. That collaborative environment, advanced data tools, data integration, cloud-based version control, secure data handling, pre-built models and all. And then third one is Gen AI, the smart writing assistants and revolutionizing content creation with AI. That Gen AI smart writing assistants will support you, right, to design to help content creators, marketers and businesses. Most of the even smart writing assistants will support, the Gen AI will support when you are going to present your research topic, or when you are going to present that research into the proposal, or when you are going to convert that proposal into the business plan. That time, right, Gen AI tool will help you based on that NLP, natural language processing, to help generate, improve and optimize the written content. That primary focus, right, to craft, that users will craft high quality and engaging text quickly. This is Meteor Intelligent. This is your user Jenny website looks like. That each and every AI tool comes under the pricing that you may check based on the plan you go forward. Welcome to Jenny. There will be, right, for student or content writer or just looking, there will be the multiple options. And then futures, same content generation. It may give the plagiarism checker, content structure, multi-language support and all. Okay, even how the Gen AI works, not only Gen AI and all the AI tools, right, our user provides a topic or brief. That even which AI tool you are looking for, it generates the relevant content based on the provided input. You can refine and edit and optimize and text with the help of AI driven suggestions. That final content is ready for publication or further editing. You may go and confirm with your guide or supervisor, proceed. Most of the Gen AI tools are using, right, even the students, business writing, blogging and marketing and all. Okay, why we are choosing that Gen AI, that efficiency, versatility, AI powered precision, there will be a number of. That's why nowadays we are talking about the DeepSeek. The DeepSeek is giving the input when you are output, when you are giving the input proper prompt engineering. It will take the seconds based on the processes. With all these, right, that efficiency, which tool is going to give the in proper thing. The Gen AI, which I compared here, Gen AI with other writing tools, that, right, even you focuses enhancing human creativity by offering intelligent suggestions rather than fully automatic writing. Comparison focuses personalized, context-aware writing assistance. That GPT-based tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, more generalized, providing wide-ranging response to various prompts. It may, that content will comes, even it may check with the database, big data, that NLP. That's why all the domains comes into the picture. The GPT based tools will give you the generalized contents, but AI tools will give you the what you are looking for, what are the novelty you are looking for, what are the ideas you are looking for. Based on your idea, it may give, right, all these things. That unique selling point, the Jenny's ability to learn, adapt, user specific writing over time. These are all the pros and cons of Gen AI. Even content generation may require some manual editing, instant writing and all. Okay, all these about your AI tools in research. Visualizations tools, come to the visualizations tools. Many of you worrying to proceed with the equations, pie charts, and then write the data analytics. Even nowadays all the journals are looking your visualization only, how you are analyzing your data, how you projected your data. So even if everything, even more than words, more than explanation, a picture will give you the proper clarity, or a image will give you the explanations more. That visualizations tools, a traditional way to exploring connections between research papers is fairly tedious. And read the paper, scan the references, search for any relevant title, and repeat to find more relevant studies. Visual tools aim to shake things up. It's time to change the way we discover research. That's why even all the research journals nowadays, they are looking for the tools. Even I found some tools, even Dimensions is the tool, a research discovery and analytics platform uses AI. It helps us researchers to analyze specific scientific publications and data. That Digital Science, a technology company that supports scientific research and developed it. Met yesterday that Professor Seduram Rao sir, given the matplotlib, I think so. He mentioned about the various explanations using that matplotlib. Like that, Dimensions AI will use it to academic researchers, corporations, government agencies, user-friendly interface. Your Dimensions websites looks like this. Even publication here, research categories, publication type, source title, everything, right? Your Dimensions AI will gives you. Next one is Skite. Even SCITE.ai, AI-powered platform that uses NLP and machine learning algorithms to evaluate credibility, reliability of scientific research articles. Even all these rules comes into the picture even when you are going to publish or publish your paper with the reputed journals. You are always, they are looking the effective research writing, they are looking novelty, they are looking the proposed method, they are looking how you used that visualization, how you projected your data, all these. That's why all these AI tools comes into the picture, and then these are all the mandatory nowadays for the researchers. And then Skite AI uses a proprietary algorithm to identify citation type, natural or contradicting. This information creates smart citation and all. That SCITE tool looks like this. Even I taken that we given to the student, they get taken about the battery management system. It will give the reference papers. And then Elicit is the research assistant using language models like GPT-3 to automate parts of your researches and workflows. And also Consensus, already we discussed, this is also one visualization tool. Next one is your citation tools in research. There will be the n number of citations tools, even each and every university or each and every institutions, or when you are going with PDF or when you are going to submit with your proposal, that all the scientists or all the funding agencies are looking for your impact factors. Even that's why day 2 literature review and meta-analysis provided by Dr. Madhu given the valid inputs to you. That citation analysis, that impact and influence and quality, that time only that university or institution, or rather those who are proceeded with their problem statements, requirements, they may recognize you. Then that citations tools, there will be no citation mission is the tool. Citation mission helps you students and professional research properly credit the information. Even nowadays, even many of the researchers are enrolled with the WhatsApp groups that that particular company or that particular research assisting companies are getting the payment and supporting to publish and all based on the timeline. Okay, all those that agencies or companies or that consultancies are helping using these kind of tools, and then they are improvising your citation mission and all. But you may go and search with these tools, citation mission, Okay, it will help you, right, to easy for student researchers cite their information sources and all. Your website looks like this: citation mission, and then JAB reference. JAB, JAB, REF is an open source citation and reference management software, and BibTeX and BibLatex as its native form is, and it's therefore typically used for latex. JAB ref, and then another one is, right, these are all various screenshots. Zotero Bib helps you build bibliography in any style, instantly for computers, from any computer or device and all. And then Zotero Bib, it will support you to add source, paste, or type URL, ISBN, DOI, PMID, or zip ID, or title into the search box above. And then third one is EndNote. EndNote is a commercial reference management software. Okay, even Mendeley offering some few features with the free of cost. Even if you are looking more options, more features, you may go with the paid version. And then Research Smarter will support you. It will be help you write bibliographic graphs and then write references when writing essays and articles. And RefWorks is the tool, web-based citation bibliographic management tool. It allows you to save, organize your citations as you research. Okay, and then next one is even Mendeley. Even it's a desktop and web-based citation management tool. Most of the universities or institutions are using this tool only. You can also network with others researching in your particular discipline. Okay, and then Zotero, that free, easy to use tool to help you collect, organize, cite, share your research and all. There will be the two variants. It's come as Zotero 5.0 app, and then Zotero connector and all. ProQuest. ProQuest is the databases provides a single source for scholarly journals, newspapers, reports, working papers, and database along with millions of pages of digitized historical primary sources from the ebooks and all. Another one is EBSCO. EBSCO host is a powerful online reference system accessible via the internet. It offers a variety of proprietary full text databases and popular databases from the leading information providers. Even many of you know, when you are finding with your journal whether it is Scopus indexed or not, your even if valid paper not downloaded by the reputed journals, also you are going with SkyHub and downloading. There also one more of some papers are not yet downloaded with the SkyHub also. For that, there will be the another option to go with the SkyHub community. There they provided the credits. Okay, but based on that credits, you may get that original paper from the researchers or those who published from the authors. Like that, the databases from the leading information providers, that EBSCO will support you more. Cite this for me. Open access generator is an automated tool, another tool. Cite this for me. And then WriteM, completely new way to write. The manuscript writing tool, this will be manuscript writing. The next generation, each and every tool, when you are looking that, right, for writing, paraphrasing, grammarly check, and then write novelty identifications, everything, citations, that all the tools nowadays they are providing, that all the tools they are working on that, right, everything we may give in one place like that. And then, right, research image management. Trophy is a free open source desktop application designed to help researchers to organize, describe the photos they take in the archives, and then into and useful ways. It allows users to group photos of research materials, annotate images, add metadata, export other applications also. Like that, there will be the n number of tools, but you may research with the team, and right, you may form a team, research with that, and then utilize those tool benefits and all. And then, right, AI powered data visualization tools for research. There will be another tools, right? We are always talking about Power BI, that data visualization, other tools. Here I am going to showcase with you. Here Tableau, advanced data exploration. And then, right, Microsoft Power BI, user friendly with a strong Microsoft ecosystem integration. And then, right, this thing, Plotly, Google Data Studio. It will be free web-based data visualization tool. And then Plotly, open source tool for creating interactive graphs, even comfortable with Python or MATLAB and also JavaScript. And then Julius, right? Julius AI. Nowadays, Julius AI are using widely. AI-driven analytics and visualization, advanced NLP, capabilities. And Jupyter, interactive notebooks for data science and research, supports code, visualization, and narrative in one place. And then the comparison of the all, right, AI data visualization tools, even Tableau, Power BI, Google Data Studio are user friendly for beginners. Even AI capabilities, when you are going with Power BI, offers natural language queries, data integration, all these customization and interactivity and best use cases. All these about data, even visualization tools. Even the comes when you are coming to the paraphrasing and grammar check AI tools, that paraphrasing was very, very important. That even when you are proceeding the same paper, even you are downloading from ChatGPT, taking content from the ChatGPT, just you are proceeding with the book chapter, they may detect the AI detection. There will be the n number of humanization tools also there for AI detection tools. For that important thing, based on your knowledge and skills, whether you are the basic researchers, you may do all this paraphrasing based on your innovative ideas and thoughts. Once you taken the content based on your proposed idea, you paraphrase it, and then grammar check AI tools or advanced software solutions. Here, paraphrasing tools help users to rewrite, and then write. Even it may help you to originalize, even 100% human content. That's why even paraphrasing and grammar check tools are looking like Qualbert, right? Known is effectiveness in rewriting sentences. This may covered, I think so, Professor Nandagopal from next session, I think so. Grammarly, widely we are using nowadays. And then here I am going to suggest another tools, AI Blaze. AI Blaze, right? Dupli Checker, a versatile AI tool for grammar checking and paraphrasing. Includes AI-driven suggestions for enhancing readability, supports multiple languages. And then one more is I replaced the images. That AI Blaze is one thing, a versatile AI tool. Another one is Dupli Checker. This is the free tool primarily used for plagiarism detection. And then these are all the AI tools. Dear learners or researchers, the benefits of the AI tools: save your time, helps maintain originality to avoid plagiarism, academic writing and research papers, customize settings based on the best results, use even a combination of tools, comprehensive checks. Limitations of AI tools: it may miss context specific errors. That paraphrased content should be checked for accuracy based on your proposed. Some advanced features may require subscriptions. That paraphrasing and grammar checking AI tools are valuable resources for enhancing written communication. These are all various inputs and you consider. When you are considering all these, that AI tools, AI is adopted and widely used in multiple domains, including research. That AI tools can help you researchers save time and improve the quality of their work. And popular AI tools in research include Semantic Scholar, what I mentioned earlier. All those, right, will support you research and consensus. At the same time, it is important to maintain academic integrity, and researchers must take some steps to prevent plagiarism while using AI tools. If you are the Anna University research scholar, even there will be the check, even self-plagiarism. You don't cite with your own paper also, where you publish self-plagiarism they are looking for. Even plagiarism check. All these are important nowadays. And then, right, chat PDF, also Skyspace and all widely using. That AI tools significant scope in research article writing and can assist researchers in various ways. Here are some areas where AI tools can be beneficial. Even what we covered in last 4 days, even AI tools in research article writing and literature review on data analysis and writing assistance, plagiarism detection, citation references and management, and also language translation and cross-disciplinary collaboration. All these, that's why they scheduled the last day of the session. That when you are proceeding, you know some familiar tools. Even that AI tools will support you in all the ways. If you are looking the research topic or domain, if you are looking to literature review papers, if you are looking to the citations or references, that everything will come under this thing. Here I mentioned with some PDF.ai, chart PDF, Iris AI. There will be a number of tools, as I mentioned. Plagiarism detection, all institutions are using Turnitin. That citations, Mendeley and Zotero also will support you more. As we progress, dear learners and researchers, through the 2025, The integration of AI in research is set to expand further, offering innovative solutions to long-standing challenges. That researchers across levels, either students or academics and professionals, can benefit from incorporating these tools into their workflows. By automating administrative tasks, AI allows research to focus more on core research activities and also potentially leading to faster and more impactful discoveries. The future of academic research is increasingly AI driven, and these tools are just the beginning. As researchers embrace these technologies, we can expect to see continuous advancements in research methodologies and outcomes. This is my valid suggestion input. Even AI tools, we are always working. All these you keep in your mind and come forward, dear learners. Thank you all. Now I'm going to demonstrate two tools. I forgot to mention that napkin.ai, and then overleaf is the latex. Even everything we will get overleaf and napkin. I may show with you to share my entire screen with the web browsers. All these. Any questions from you? Based on that, I may go with website browsers. Any questions from you, dear researchers, learners?
Participants, any doubts?
Yes. I hope my screen is visible right now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I am in PaperPal. Just I checked with Google, PaperPal is the web, paperpal.com. Just you will see and click that. Just there will be the pricing always involved, dear researchers. If you are looking pricing, that they may comes free. What are the suggestions? You may get the 200 suggestions per month, 5 users per day. Rewrite, paraphrase, trim plus more. Even if you are going with the premium version, there will be the n number of suggestions. If you are going with I mentioned with you, you may go with your not personal mail IDs. You may create for one new mail ID for your research work or assignment work, or even if you are writing work and all. You may go with your new mail IDs. You may get started. Just you will go with that. I'll show with you how that dashboard looks like. I'm going with my new mail ID. Just you'll see. See here, I mentioned with you, chart PDF. Even each and every in one particular website itself, we have chart PDF. Newly they added. You may upload your PDF and then get the output. Google Docs, Microsoft Paperpal apps, and then plagiarism check, submission check, plans and all. Here I'm going to use you, even install Word add-in. That will be the advantage. You may go and try with the install Word add-in. It will immediately add with your Word document with Word. Even you may, which version you need, you may download and then go forward. And then I am going to utilize, I am going to show with the chart PDF. I am going to upload one even already what I received. Even click upload, see some demo one. Already I prepared for you this thing. The demo one is entirely upload complete redirecting. See here, just how AI tools will transforming AI tools for research and publication, transforming academic workflows in 2025. Here I given even here that I mentioned nearly 60 tools. See here that questions you can try. You have 5 prime questions for free. That's all. Once you uploaded your PDF, okay, it will give the summary and related papers also. When you are checking with the related papers, loading related papers, it may comes under. You may questions. What are the questions you have? You may ask with that. Even what are the papers relevant to that? Just you will see 2023 artificial intelligence in academic writing a literature review. Even it given the paper, you may click that paper and then see when they published, what are the DOI, what is the DOI number, and then you may check what are their abstract. This is the use of that paper part. Okay, like that, no, that you may get the summary of this your particular paper, title, authors. Once you mention with that overview, it may summary, it will give the summarized content about your what you uploaded. You may ask with the questions and all. Like these many benefits are with paperpal. And here I'll also show with the overleaf I mentioned with you. Even I did not mention with the slides. Just you will see, this is Jasper AI. This is also makes deserves. Even this will be the overleaf. That overleaf advantages, right? Even when you, that pricing will be the zero for unlimited projects. Even only one projects will do the collaborators. Even Jasper, this overleaf will give you the latex based writing. Even you may utilize the latex plus overleaf, or you may use overleaf directly also. Even they given the latex document also with you, how to use that latex using overleaf. Learn latex in 30 minutes, they given with the overleaf website itself. Even you may complete all these process, you will get the wondering. Even you may learn very easily. Okay, even our FDP also shaped with you to learn about the latex. That overleaf also tool to supports with you. Even I created some sample projects, just even just recompile. Even I even how you are writing your paper using latex, there will be the same format. Okay, that no, you may go with the sections what that RT mentioned. You may study all these and then proceed. Just I added introduction part and then second edition and all that, second section and all. And then, right, this will gives no, there will be when you are signing in, just I am going to sign in with you, overleaf. Just you will see overleaf, online latex editor overleaf. Just you will go and click it, and then overleaf online latex editor. Maybe they are giving some offers and all. Generating table account. Yeah, already I am in the projects, archived projects. I already logged in. Yeah, if you're creating new projects, you may blank example journal articles or books, or if you're going with formal letters or assignment posters or presentations or the CV and resumes and all like that. No, you may go with that, these things. That overleaf will supports you a lot. Then here I mentioned, yeah, one more for grant forward to support, right? Grant forward to help you to start moving your research forward. Grant search guide, that grant search guide, grant forward also tool to supports you, right, to go with your research forward. Then when I mentioned with you Skyspace, yes, Skyspace, you will see paperpal. I'll check with that paperpal smarter writing AI tool for scholarly writing. Just you will see, I'm joining with free of cost login. In paperpal itself, you may continue to pay. Even if you are going with that free plans are available, you may go with some free plans. Free plagiarism checker, free manuscript writing, free start writing, it's free. That everything, start writing, it's free. That each and every, even if you are looking writing, plagiarism, everything under in one place. See here, this is paperpal. It looks like your thing. Already I updated this paperpal, I think so. Yes, paperpal we discussed. Even Skyspace we need to go. Yeah, Skyspace. Even Skyspace is from the typeset.io, AI chart for scientific PDF. From typeset, AI chart for scientific PDFs. Even fastest research platform. Here even I am going to give just a simple word, right? Even edge computing. This is the domain fastly growing nowadays, and also edge computing I am giving with the title. Just you will say edge computing applications. Just I mentioned the name, topic. Even it may give the suggestions. Just it will search and gives you the latest papers, dear researchers. Just you'll see, just I did not log in. I'm checking with directly with the free. Even answer from top, it will give in free version only 5 papers. If you are going with paid version, it may give a number of no, that based on their timeline it will give, based on their terms and conditions. Even you will see answer from top 5 papers for edge computing applications. Even just I type the upload, okay, no issues. Healthcare, smart cities, just you will see this is the latest paper, medical imaging. They found even the 20, even it may gives, right, what is the paper, what is the insights, that edge computing, what they, even each and everything it will gives. And then what is the research gap, if you are looking based on that paper conclusion, summary, even summarized introduction, methods used, everything you may check with that, what are the methods they used, even you may check very easily. Even they mentioned about, right, in first paper they mentioned evaluation of multiple platforms for diagnostic tool development, deployment, cost benefit analysis and all. Like that, Skyspace also will support you more. And then I mentioned with the Skyspace Research Rabbit, that Research Rabbit also widely using, where we are going to convert PDF into Word. Research Rabbit AI, that you will go Research Rabbit. It's also the platform to supports you to research and all. That everywhere that responsible AI, that ethical thinking is more important, dear researchers. And then, right, you go and log in, reimagine your research, just logged in using your, right, even I'm, yes,
Participants, any doubts?
any doubts, you may open your, unmute yourself and then ask with the dear researchers. I'm ready to support with you where you are finding difficulty while using the AI tools. And then, right, one more thing I forgot, that I am going to showcase with you this thing, napkin.ai, napkin.ai. Napkin.ai, the visual of AI for business storytelling, or, right, it will gives your graphics, even get napkin free, even sign in, this will give you all the infographics and, right, images, sign in with the mail. Go, I'm going with Google, yes. See here, that napkin dot, there will be no n number of AI tools, dear researchers. That this will be the interactive session. Just open, unmute yourself and then ask with me if you have any doubts. There will be any questions from the chat, professors. For personal use, you may say, and then you complete the process. And then for presentation, teaching material, brainstorming, for which one you are going to use, just data or research reports, just submit. And then, right, it will then, and then if you are looking any, even it will give you the creative, even that entire visuals with you. It will be very useful while creating the presentations, and also when you are planning to add the images with the research papers. Yeah, just you'll see, by there will be the two options, by pasting my text content or by generating text using AI. Just you may, there will be the two options in Napkin AI. Even I never forgot, I think there will be the okay tools. Yeah, just generate AI using, just I'm asking with same edge computing applications. Just see here and then continue. The best practices for hiring in the team, these are all the questions, that no need, that continue. It will give you the images, text, and then it will give you the images. Like that, right, you should even enhance your research using these tools, dear learners. Edge computing applications, even the publication and strategies, all these tools will support you. First, what it will do, right, based on your topic, it will create the content. It will create edge computing applications. It's creating the content, the conclusion is given. And then if you need here generate visuals, if you are clicking this, even it will give, right, generate visual. Just see here, it will create the visuals for you based on your explanations. There will be the multiple options, enhancing performance and response times. If you are looking even various templates, even various use cases, or various data, even pros edge computing applications, just tails, if you are looking, it will give in one place. See here, I'm changing this edge computing applications overview. Even like that, no, that each and every tool will give you, right, even more benefits. If you are looking for Internet of Things, just you will click here in right side itself, you will click here, it will give the visual view. And then here I completed scroll, explore, and click validate. Yes, I given this, or you may select show hidden styles also. Even you may take which one you need. Like that, there will be n number of no visuals it's creating for internet things, and then share with your team, and then proceed. Here also, yeah. Any doubts? Thank you all, dear participants. I thank our management and principal, vice principal, head of the department, and dean R&D, and the coordinators for providing me the opportunity to connect with the researchers. Thank you all once again.
Thanks, sir. A sincere thank you to Dr. R. Parthiban, sir, for a highly informative session on AI tools on journal publication and strategies. Your presentation was truly enlightening, and we have gained so much from your expertise. We are grateful for your valuable contribution to this FDP. Once again, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Someone is raised hand. Is there any questions? You may come forward. Otherwise, no, I may.
Okay, sir. Participants, today we have a vote of thanks. Before that, participants are informed to share your experience on this 5 days FDP. Now I am going to introduce a second speaker, Dr. J. Nandagopal, sir. Dr. J. Nandagopal, working as the associate professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Velamal Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu. He has been teaching in electrical and electronics engineering since 2006. He received his PhD from College of Engineering, Gindi, Anani City, Chennai. His research interest includes power electronics, design of power converters, renewable energy systems, and a smart grid. He has published 7 international journals, 8 national and international conference papers, 12 book chapters, and 1 patent. He is a member of Institute of Engineers. He is acting as a reviewer for various journals like Circuit World, International Journal of Electronics, Measurement and Control, International Journal of Control, Intelligence Automation and Soft Computing, Computer Materials and Continua, Transaction of the Institute of Measurement and Control, Computer Systems, Science and Engineering. He has acted as a resource person for various institutions. He has obtained National Instruments Customer Education Certification and now granted the title of Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer, CLAD. He has received a research supervisor recognition under Anani City, Chennai. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sanmaraj, sir, for a brief introduction for my profile. Good morning to all the participants. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the management, principal sir, and the vice principal sir, and the HOD of ECE, Dean of R&D, Dr. Days-Fdp madam, as well as all the wonderful coordinators for this faculty development program, for this FDP, for giving me opportunity to present the session on the publishing strategies and ethical practices. Okay, just I will share the PPT. Okay, today I'm going to present publication strategies and ethical practices for these publications. My presentation overview, the understanding of meaning of the publication ethics and why to follow the ethical way of publications. Then to sensitize about publication misconduct. Then to realize the meaning and ways of violation of the publication ethics, and to evaluate predatory journals, ladies Bogan journals, and Sci-Major journals website demonstration, how to identify the predatory journals, then how to identify the journal Q1, Q2, Q3, that original website will be published. Then retraction policy, website demonstrations. I will then how to identify the journal identifications. Then how to paraphrase the Fieldbird software tool discussions. This is my overall presentation overview of the today's sessions. First, we should know what is the meaning of publication ethics. In the journal, all the journal websites, they have to mention the publication ethics in the front page. First, why we are need to know the publication ethics. First, what is the research outcome disseminations? Then what is our output disseminations, maybe related to our domain concept disseminations. That is first one. Then second thing, researchers remain the owner of published work. That is the authors. The main authors is the owner of the research published work. That is the second thing. That is the ethics. Then third one, the researcher publishes in the form of maybe article, that is original article, review article, then conference publications, conference proceedings, then books and book chapters. These are the published in the form of indexed journals concepts. Then who are involved in the publications? The main thing publications, they are involved in the main journals, then related to publishers, then authors, peer reviewers, editors. These things involved in the publications, the main members in the publications. Then why to follow ethical publications? That is first point, protecting the life of the human being. That is ethically published will become a sound-based knowledge. Only the ethical publications. Then so adequate rationalism. Then accelerate scientific production. Then process. Then so ethical path to followers. Then help in the image building of the researchers. These things we have to follow the ethical publications. Then what are the points to remember for the publications? There are main, first one, authorship and contributors. Authorship means authors and who are all contributed in the publications. There is author minimum one author to maximum many authors. There are who are contributors. Then conflict of interest. Then publication misconduct. Publication misconduct means plagiarism, then research fabrication, falsifications, then salami slicing. Here, the plagiarism, we have to check the plagiarism tools. What other tools are available? Turnitin, Authenticate, then Woodkun. Many plagiarism tools are available. We have to check the misconduct. Then research fraud. Many of them, they have to create duplicate website. Then related to the publications. Then salami slicing means then when published papers, they have to convert, paraphrasing with the same meaningful. These things are point to remember for the publications. Then let us see one by one. First one, authorship and contributors. The authorship and contributors entitles the responsibility and accountability of the published works. Then in the journal website, they mentioned in the Committee on Publication Ethics, that is COPA, that is very important publication ethics. That will be suggested an author contribute one of the following way. They must contribute this following way. That is significant contribution to conception or design of the work, then acquisition, analysis and interpretation of data generated during the work, then drafting, editing of the work or reversing it critically. That's the important intellectual content. These things, every journal in the front page, they mentioned in the Committee on the Publication Ethics. We should follow these things. Then in the case of multi-author paper, the multi-author paper, they collectively take the decision about the all aspects of the paper. Then integrity and accuracy of the work has to be resolved. Then final approved version of the published work. Then each author should be able to identify which authors responsible for which specific part of the work. These are the main contribution for the authorship and contributors. Then who are not entitled, those who are helped in our paper preparations of our journal publications or everything, they should not entitled for the author and contributors. For writing, we will check with the writing with some other assistants. These are not contributors. Then technical editors, then language editing, then proofreading. These are the process for the journal publications. These are not involved for the author or co-author. Then someone the helper, that is procurement of funding. We will receive the funding from the funding agency or any other agency. They are not involved in the author, but they have helped in our preparation of the journal writing. Then general supervision of research group or general administrative support. These are all the not involved or entitled as a author or co-author of our publications. This is one of the main ethical reason publications. Then what are the unethical authorship? Sometimes the guest authorship with someone's name, chance of acceptance may increase. These are one of the unethical. Someone asked, some friends or everything, they are asking to add our name in the journal article. This is not for the ethical authorship. Then someone give amount to add our authors. There is honorary or gift authorship. The authorship given as a gift authorship. There is one of the unethical one. Then ghost authorship. You can acknowledge it, but not as on the authors. Then anonymous authorship, not real name of author to improper scientific article. Then surrogate authorship, that is manuscript written by someone else or original data and published. These things are unethical authorship. Nowadays, most of the authors are asking like this. Then these are the unethical authorship. These things are displayed in the journal website in the front page of ethical publications things. We should not follow these things for the journal preparations. Then what are the ethical conventions of publications? Multiple submissions, that is one journal article we have to submit only one journal at a time, but we cannot submit multiple journals. There is unethical and illegal to submit the report of study to more than one journal at the same time or same concept, same papers. Then second thing is multiple publications. It is unethical that similar publishing with just changing the language of the paper. Nowadays, last session discussed many tools are available. Many AI tools are available. Using the tools, we have to change. We have to change the same concept, paraphrasing. That is Quillbot one tool is there. That tool is to change from paraphrasing, same concept, same thing, that language only, we have to change the concept of thing. That is unethical one. We have to create new concept, new technology, new innovation. Based on that, we have to prepare the journal articles. That is the one of the one. Then third one, suggesting potential reviewers. That is unethical to follow the fictitious reviewers for personal gaining. We have to suggest what is the field of expert or journal field of expert. We have to suggest the reviewer, not on the friend circle, somebody known authors. We cannot recommend that one. These are the suggesting potential review. Nowadays, most of the journals they don't ask in the reviewers list. The few journals only asking the reviewer list. They have to allotted in the reviewers. That is blind peer reviewers. They have to allotted. But some of the journals they are asking unethical. Gaining this one. Then last one, withdrawal or retraction of the published paper. That is withdrawal or retraction of the published paper. That is most of them nowadays they are published more than before 2 years, but nowadays they will be retracted. I will show in the one reference journal how to retract it in the paper. That retraction will be displayed both journal website and also our profile. In the profile of Scopus indexed profile, they have clearly mentioned that retracted journal. The retraction means they are duplicating the journal papers to publish. That is the concept. That is polarized, plagiarized, or misconduct false of data reflected. These are the ethical convention of the publications. Then what is conflict of interest? Conflict of interest means the transparency and the objectivity are essential in the research. This one, when investigator or author or reviewer or editor has the personal interest of the conflict of interest. Then what is salami slicing or salami publication is converting one meaningful paper into several different papers from the same study. These things are having ethical things. Then what is publication misconduct? Publication misconduct means plagiarism. Main thing is plagiarism. Plagiarism means when one author internally uses the author's work, some other author's work, without permission to credit or acknowledgement. Suppose we have to take the literature survey from the some other journal papers, journal articles or conference articles or book chapters. We have to refer, but we cannot copy. If suppose we are copying that same thing, we'll do the plagiarism, more plagiarism. Nowadays, the plagiarism tool Turnitin, the main plagiarism tool Turnitin, Authenticate is there. In the Turnitin software, now they were upgraded. What are the contents available, plagiarism contents available in the journal article, and also what are the contents we took from the AI tool. That two types of plagiarism report they have generated. That generation we have to identify the plagiarism report. Generally, the plagiarism found in the following forms. First one, data. Second one, words or phrases. Then ideas and concepts. These things are main content for the plagiarism. Then research fraud. Research fraud means outcome of data manipulation. Then how to manipulate the data. There is two types of outcome of data manipulation. First one, fabrication. Second one, falsifications. What is fabrication means? Make up research data and the results according to the reporting them. These are one of the fabrications. Many of them they are doing making of research data and some simulation results or hardware results and recording and reporting them. Then falsification means manipulating research materials or images, data, equipment, and process. These things are there. Nowadays that we are using MATLAB tool. The MATLAB tool they have to manipulate or don't manipulate. You have to do the original data to put the simulation part. So there are manipulate for the other workers. Then we will under hardware reports also, then images also, data also. These are the falsification we cannot do. These are the ethical practices are there. Then next one, predatory or fact journals. Predatory or fact journals. Nowadays, most of things are the journals they have to create in the duplicate website. Similarly, the original website they have to change some other images or one letter or one dot that will be different. They have to create the predatory journals, but they have different objectives to work, such as the predatory journals, publishing to make money, one of the predatory concepts. Then no concern with quality content, then unable to follow accepted standards, then fake advertisement or false claiming about indexing. Nowadays, the many WhatsApp is myself also receiving many WhatsApp messages. They are giving fake advertisement like 1 or 2 days we have to publish these papers within 10,000, 20,000. Then it will be indexed in the Scopus. Their link is given. That link will be clarity will be given to the website link. Then suppose they are publishing their paper but not indexed in the Scopus because they are creating fake website. Then there is no quality of content, that is abstract, then literature survey, then research methodology, then content of the original results, simulation results, hardware results. Then they have to content, quality of content is not good. That type of predatory journal, whatever the contents we have to given, they have to publish. We have to check all the, let us see our website for the predatory journals. Then how to know about the fact journals? That fact journals are unstructured website. A previous slide I showed, unstructured website with a lot of errors. Then advertisement to attract the authors. Then promote publication promised. Then no retraction policy is not available. Then policy lagging such as about open access, paper security on digital platform. Then asking manuscript handling charges with some sometimes even very low amount to the number of authors. Okay. Many things they are asking only 10,000, but in the website they mentioned in the 40,000. But that is duplicately they have to generate the message and advertising the through WhatsApp, that is social media. They are attracting to publish the papers, but they are not indexed in the Scopus or Web of Science researcher ID. Then how to identify the finding of right journals? We have to use index in the Scopus website. We have to check the sources of list journals, whether it is original or not. Then Clarivative Analytics website. Then DOAJ, Directorate of Open Access Journals website. Then PubMed, Google Scholar, SciMago JR. These websites are original website. They have to identify the original journals. For example, I saw the website. SciMago. This is the original website of the journalist. Here, for example, one journal, the Journal of Propulsion Technology. One journal is now trending in the WhatsApp website. They are attracting to publish the journals. Journal of Propulsion Technology. Something wrong. This journal we have to check the SciMago website. In that website we have to write it Journal of Propulsion Technology. That is Fusion Geno website technology. Just we have to click it. The journal related things are shown here. This journal having H index 26, then Q3 journal, then now, but many are published this journal, but not indexed in the Scopus. Then we have to ask questions. Just 4 months ago, one of the member asked, this is the predatory journal. I advise everyone to not submit. We have to check like this. Every journal, you have to write it the name and search in the SciMago website. They mention, if suppose we are asking to chat, they will reply originally, whether this journal is original or duplicate. This is the main website for finding the predatory journal. We can ask 6 months, 2 months before. Many of them ask, this is yes, this is a fact journal. They are replied in the SciMago. This same thing I saw here. Here, same website, journal website, they also mention here. Just check here, indexed in Scopus, indexed in engineering, Google Scholar, and Q3. Any one of the journal not mentioned in the front page, these content of images. If suppose they shown in these images means definitely they will be a fact journal. You have to check. Many of them today also publishing this journal, but not indexed in the Scopus. We have to check with the SciMago website, then website of that journal. We have to identify the fact journal concepts. And also one more thing, we have to check with the Scopus profile. In the Scopus profile, whether the journalists are till in the indexed in the Scopus up to the 2025 year. That website also we have to check that. That is Scopus, author search, just here to click the sources of journal list. Then you check here subject area, title of the journal. Then enter here the journal of propulsion technology. Just I am showing for the sample for this website journal. It is very slow. We can search here. This journal is professional technology, so we have to check here whether it is indexing or not. Here having in the Scopus list available, this just click here. Then this is available only for the Journal of Professional Technology. Only the subject area is engineering and aerospace. But in that website, journal website, they mention only for the all domain of engineering. That is the fact journal we have to easy to identify. We have to identify the SciMego website. Then also in the Scopus website, whether the journal is original or duplicate checking. Then in the SciMego, one more thing we have to identify the quartile of the journal. This whether the journal Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Some of the journals are available only Scopus indexed, not in the Q level journal. Previous days, the impact factor is very main point, but nowadays they are asking for the Q1, Q2, Q3 journals in all aspects. Then whether the journal is Q1 or Q2 or 3, we have to identify by the SciMego website only. Then one more thing, we have to choose the master journal list website. Master journal list also we can identify. There is clarivative analytics. Here also we can identify whether the journal is original or fact journals. Here we have to check there is Web of Science listed journal. This is clarivative analysis or master journal list. That website also we have to check the predatory journals. Then one more thing, there is ArchIt ID. In the ArchIt ID also, we have to what are the journals we have to publish. That will be shown in the ArchIt profile also. That ArchIt profile. What are the journals we have to publish and what are the reviews reviewed the journal, the content also will be shown here also. These things to find the predatory journal concepts. The next one, before that we have to submit, we have to make one tabular column. Then which journal we are going to submit. First we have to take the tabulations. From the tabulations, what is the journal name, what is the publisher name, then whether our content is there within the scope of that journal, then identify. Then publishing frequency, this is the very, very important parameters. Many of the journals, they have to publish bi-monthly, quarterly, then 6 months once, 1 year once, they have to publish. Suppose we are choosing 1 year once publishing frequency, the publishing rate is very long period. Better we have to choose bi-monthly publications. Bi-monthly volume and issue number. Sometimes many standard journals are published only monthly publications. That monthly publications means they have to publish more journal articles. That journal we have to choose to publish. Then impact factor or Q1, Q2 journal. Whether the journal is identify whether Q1 or Q2 or Q3, Q4 by using SciMego website. If suppose Q1 journal are very better journal, Q1, Q2 are very better journal. Sometimes Q3, Q4, the journal will be removed from the master journal list also. Better we have to choose Q1, Q2. We have to take, if suppose our paper, our article scope is in the scope means how many journals are there. That journal you have to list out by the tabulations, then frequency, then Q1, Q2. Based on that, you have to apply or upload in the journals. There is better thing. Then you have to check whether it is journal website is original or predatory. Then you have to check and publish it. This is the main thing. Okay, already I think time is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask me regarding these ethical properties and any journal identification, and then how to identify the journal prediction. Participants, if you have any query, ask me. Okay, first, thank you. Thank you all. If you have any queries, I will give the coordinators to my mail ID and mobile number. You can contact me. I will rectify it. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all coordinators. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. J. Nandagopal sir for delivering an insightful session on ethical practice on journal publications. Your expertise and clear explanation have truly enriched our understanding, and we deeply appreciate your time and efforts in this one. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, sir. Sir, we will, participants, we will just a minute wait. We will send the reference link here, as well as the feedback and the assessment link also. Wait for some time.
So, dear participants, we will be shortly sending the attendance link as well as assessment link. We are facing some technical issues. So, meanwhile, participants who want to share your views on this 5-day workshop can give your feedback here. If any participants want to share your experience regarding our 5-day FTP, please share your experience. So, my can
Just a minute.
Participants, now you can unmute your mic and you can speak if you share your views.
Good afternoon, sir. Himrata Gururani this side from the NSUT and New Delhi. Sir, the FDP is very informative and we really thank you, this organization for organizing this FDP, as it is really beneficial in terms of giving the information regarding the latest tool which are used in today's research applications. And I really appreciate the AI tool which have introduced to us in today's session. It gives really a vast knowledge to us, and I hope this type of FDPs are frequently organized. Thank you, really thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Dr. K. Menaka. It's giving me immense pleasure to give feedback for this wonderful FDP conducted by the coordinators, Dr. Shanmuraj sir and Seduram sir. From the beginning, initiated by Dr. M. Shivaratna Bala ma'am on the research topic on research writing, in which we have clearly gathered the ideas on how to write a journal paper. Follow that, on the second day was the content given by Dr. Madhu sir, from which how to write the literature survey and the keen ideas where we have to search the paper and what is the need for the literature survey has been clearly described by Madhu sir. Follow that, Dr. Jyoti Chitra ma'am, from which how the references can be automatically formulated using the Mendeley software has been clearly explained by ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And follow that, on the second day, Shanmuraj sir have given the clear idea how to prepare, and we have to convert the Word document into LaTeX has been clearly and keenly described by Shanmuraj sir. Thank you, sir. And on the next, Dr. Parthiban sir, there are n number of numerous of AI tools are available in the website, even though each and every AI tool for each purpose has been clearly described by Parthiban sir. And at last, Dr. Nandagopal sir have given the retraction policy in which the fake journals can be easily identified by the researchers have been clearly described by Nandagopal sir. So from the beginning till the end, each and every day, it will be really helpful for the researchers who are doing their PhD work, and each topic will be really helpful for them, sir. This FDP given a good idea for all the researchers in a good way, sir. I once again thank you, the coordinators and the resource persons, to make this FDP a grand success, sir. Thank you, sir. Really, I was benefited by this FDP work, sir. Second, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to give the feedback. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your valuable suggestions. Any other participants? Any other participants wants to share your views? Link will be shared shortly in chat box as well as in your WhatsApp group. So we will be starting our vote of thanks. Dr. Shanmugara sir will be sharing the vote of thanks about this 5-day FDP.
Okay. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Now I continue now. So I would also like to thank our esteemed invited speakers for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your contribution have enriched our knowledge and understanding, and we are grateful for your time and effort. I would like to extend my special thanks to our Principal Sir Dr. N. Balaji Sir, Vice Principal Dr. S. Soundarajan Sir, and Dean R&D Head of the Department Dr. B. Sridevi Madam for her unwavering support and guidance throughout this journey. Your leadership and encouragement have been a constant source of inspiring for us. I am also grateful to our faculty colleagues and non-teaching staffs members for their tireless efforts in making this event a grand success. I would like to acknowledge the contributors of this FDP, Dr. M. Suratana Balama, Mr. J. Blessy ma'am, Mr. Suresh Babu sir, Mr. Pandi Rajan sir, Mr. B. Mugundan sir, and also others. We who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes and make this event grand success. Finally, I would like to thank my co-organizer, Dr. G. Sedaram sir, for his collaborative spirit and commitment to making this FDP a grand success. Thank you all once again for your participation, support, and encouragement. Thank you, participants. Shortly we will share the this one like test assessment link as well as the feedback link also. Thank you.
Now participants can leave the meeting room. We will be sharing the 3 links now. That is, the one is the attendance link, feedback link, and another one is the assessment link. So try to complete the assessment before the end of the evening today. And a few 10 to 15 participants have not filled the certificate details. I request them also to fill the certificates here immediately so that we can dispatch your certificate as early as possible. Thank you very much. Thanks for participating in this 5-day FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.